Hello and welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. I'm David, and in this video, we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing and answering a question about do I need a website for affiliate marketing? So many of you might be trying to get into affiliate marketing, and which is great and all, but you are going to have some questions that you're going to be asking when you get started. And one of the common ones is, well, I don't really know how to build a website, and even I do, but I know it takes a lot of time, and I just want to get started and get my feet wet in the business. How do I go about doing affiliate marketing without a website? And so that's what I'm going to be talking about in today's video. If at any point you're getting value from the content, just please hit that like button is all I ask. It really helps out with the algorithm, and I really appreciate it. So let's move on, and I'm going to go ahead and answer that real quick. The answer is of course not. You do not need a website. I'm going to show you so many different ways right now that prove that you don't need a website in order to make this affiliate marketing thing work, right? So if you don't need a website, then what can you do to drive traffic to your affiliate offer? So I'm going to be showing you that in a minute, but right away, I want to give you some useful tips and places and sources that you can use in order to get traffic to your affiliate product that you're trying to promote without actually having to have a website. And the obvious choice for me, because I've had so much success on YouTube, is YouTube. So YouTube is my top recommended source for driving traffic, because you are building an audience that is going to, they're either going to connect with you or they're not. And if they don't connect with you, that's fine. They move on and they watch another video and they find another YouTube video creator and influencer. And, sometimes people are going to resonate with what you're saying, and other times they're going to say, oh, I don't like what that guy said, and the style of his videos or whatever. So I'm going to go and find somebody else to learn from. And that's totally fine. That's the way it works, right? But the fact is that there's, 7 point something billion people on Earth right now. And a large portion, billions of those people watch YouTube on a monthly basis, and you have a chance to get a small portion of the YouTube pie, if you will. And so if you can get a small slither of that and get some traffic to your YouTube videos, then it's free traffic coming in, right? You're not having to worry about website hosting. You're not having to worry about keeping up with your website and hiring content writers or writing the content yourself. There's so much that all you have to do is just create videos with the topic that you're interested in. So in today's video, I'll be probably talking about weight loss. I do have a weight loss blog as well. And that's a really popular one, right? It's a very competitive niche, but you can certainly find keywords that are easy to go for still to this day. And you could create useful content on YouTube, get those videos ranked, and start getting views and build a viewership, right? And the offer that you could be promoting, you can find that on Digi24. Digistore 24, you can go to ClickBank, you can go to all those different places and get some good quality products to promote. And you can use YouTube. So YouTube is definitely my favorite, because when people watch the video, they learn something. You're already warming up that traffic. And then by the time they're like, you know what, I think this is the product that I want. It seems like it can work for me. And so I want to go ahead and buy it. And then you can even do cool things by offering bonuses to them if they do want to go ahead and buy it. It's an advantage for them to buy it from your link, because it doesn't cost them any more money to buy it from your link, but then you will get a commission for that. And then you can also offer them a sweet bonus for signing up through you. So YouTube is definitely a good one. Question and answer sites like Quora is a really good one. Used to be like Yahoo Answers was a good one, but really the king of question and answers is Quora now. And you can get a lot of traffic, a lot of free traffic there, and you could spend 15, 20, 30 minutes a day answering a few questions on there and build up the traffic. It'll continue to build up. I'm going to show you that in just 1 second. I'm going to show you my account and some of the traffic that I'm getting to that, and then show you how you can also go after some unanswered questions to help you out to get the ball rolling. Social media, obviously, Instagram TikTok, Twitter, Facebook. Those are always still going to be a really good source of traffic. You could, just kind of spend some time. You could put together something like, maybe I just right click here, do a new slide. And right here, you could do, social media, or if you were going to put together your daily free traffic plan. I'm just doing this on the fly. You could do, 1 hour. I'm going to spend on YouTube per day making a video. And then you're going to I'm going to spend maybe 1 hour on Quora answering questions. Okay. And then maybe you're going to spend 1 hour on social media, which can be Instagram. This can be Twitter. This can be Facebook. I'll just do abbreviations. And then maybe TikTok, because and you can even take part of your video over here and convert it into a shorter video and then put that on TikTok, and that actually is working for me right now. And then we'll go back to our plan, right? And then you have your paid traffic. So if you want to get into paid traffic and solo ads, that will work too. But even if you just wanted to get started with, if you had only a couple hours, 2-3 hours to spend on your business, this is what I would spend my time on, because it's not going to cost any money to you. It's just going to cost some time. A lot of you already have full-time jobs, and so you can only dedicate 1 to 3 hours a day on this. Well, this is what I would do, is build up your business like this, and you don't even have to have a website to do it, and you can start driving traffic to your affiliate offers, right? So that is the bread and butter right there. I wasn't planning on kind of creating a daily schedule for you, but that really would work, right? So then paid traffic, you could use Google AdWords, Facebook ads, all that kind of stuff. So those are all separate videos. I'm not going to get too much into that because there is a large learning curve, and I don't recommend spending money if you're just getting started in the affiliate marketing business, right? Solo ads is something that I would recommend even if you are a newbie, because there's low risk. You can have a horrible landing page, and you're still going to be able to get people to sign up, and then those are leads in your business that you can market to from that point forward, right? So solo ads, I actually, if you were going to spend any money, any investment or budget at all, solo ads I would recommend, but I wouldn't recommend the paid clicks and traffic like that until you actually get a program, and or you can get free YouTube training as well. But you really want to make sure you kind of know what you're doing. And then also make sure you have an ad budget for this that's kind of like throwaway money, because when you're first starting out, you will probably lose some money. And that's just me being completely honest with you. You'll probably lose money with the paid traffic right here. I think the lowest risk paid traffic is solo ads. I guess that's what I'm really trying to say. So there's your schedule. And then finally, as far as hosting your offer, you can send traffic directly to your affiliate link by using, you can use a free Google Doc, which is, I'm going to show you an example of how you could do that real quick. And then also, you can send them, when you're first getting started, you could just send them directly with your affiliate link. You could just send them directly to the offer and not worry about those bridge page and squeeze page and the sales funnel and all that. I have a lot of videos. I'll put a link to a couple for you to check out right above here. If you want to learn how to build a sales funnel and also the software that I'm using. And then if you are interested and you need a software to be able to do that, go ahead and check out the link below, the first link. That is where my bread and butter business is. That's where I'm using to capture leads into my business on a daily basis. And then also, when I sell that software, I get a reoccurring 80% commission every single month. So it's a great business opportunity if you really want to be in this for the long haul. Take it from somebody that has actually been doing this for 10 years. And this is the business model that I'm following right now. But enough said about that. We're going to go in here and I'm going to actually show you. So this is Quora right here. And inside Quora, you have your home page. It's going to just have some popular stuff over here. And you could certainly search for stuff in the Quora search box right here. But what I'm going to do is go over here to stats real quick on my account. And you can see for the last 30 days, I haven't been hitting this. And as you can tell, I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I've answered 15 posts, 15 questions, and I've put up 15 answers. And I'm getting 110 views to my posts. And I haven't worked on Quora in a long time. And if you really put the pedal to the metal, you could easily put 15 posts up in, a couple hours. You could actually answer these. Now, I did real answers on these, but what I mean is just spend time. You could do this in a day or two, and you would already surpass what I have on my account because I'm not really using this right now. But you can see every single day I'm getting views to my answers. And I have links in those. That sends people back to my YouTube channel. It sends people back to affiliate offers, so this is a good way, but you don't want to spam the site. Make sure that you are answering in very unique answers and that you're not spamming. And there are certain links that they're not going to allow you to put, that's for another video as well. Putting your direct affiliate link, they probably don't like that. So you're going to have to kind of figure, I could probably save that for another video. But building up your traffic, or even just having, a document, or sending them to, something that is legit. And then from that site, or page that you have, then you can also have your affiliate link on that site. So then another cool thing that you can do is that in order to kind of separate yourself and find the content that hasn't been answered yet, I found a post over here. You can put this string in here. So let's just say we were going to do weight loss. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this string right here, and you can go over here and open up Google and paste that in, and then you can also put in here like weight loss or whatever you're going for. It's going to pull up the answers in Quora right now that are not answered that have weight loss, right? So we could do lose weight and see if that has more, and see, so it pulled up the same ones. So then you can come over here and you can actually click it. I'm going to open it up in a new tab, and then you can see that it hasn't been answered yet. How does Trim Max Keto work to lose weight? You can start answering these questions that don't have answers, right? And you could start, why don't the weight of the body increase after eating? So then you can start answering those that don't have questions, right? So then moving on to the paid traffic method is that you can go over to this site called Udemy and sign up here, and then you can find people that are willing to send traffic to. I'm not going to go ahead and sign in this video, but just go to udimi.com, udemy.com. And that's a place where you can get, usually the cheapest you're going to get is about 40 cents a click. So you're going to find some sellers that have $20 gigs, and you'll be able to get like 50 people to your offer. I recommend running at least 100 minimum traffic to an offer, which is going to cost you about $40 to do that. So that's a good one. And then finally, you can go over and you can go to just open up Google Docs real quick, right? And go to open up a blank page, and you can put your offer up here at the top, or whatever it is. It's your weight loss offer and bonus. And then you could actually come in here and use a title. Do you want to lose weight in the next 30 days? This could be, your title, and you can fix this up, center it, and go over here and go to title. And then, affiliate link, and you can actually grab this and put in a link right here. This could be your affiliate link.com, could be your link right here, right? And then you're going to put a picture here. You're going to put some more text. You can change the color and make it look nice. And then guess what? You can share this to anyone that has the link. And now you have easily in 5 minutes now you turn this question into, no, you do not need a website, right? And this is not a website. This is just a little document that you now can share with anybody that has the link. So there's so much you can do with affiliate marketing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit that like button. And I come out with 1 to 2 affiliate marketing training videos like this every week. So go ahead and stick with me, and you'll learn a lot. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.